In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use XABCD on TradingView step by step, 2025. Whether you're new to harmonic patterns or just need a quick refresher, we'll walk through placing and adjusting an XABCD pattern so it's clean, accurate, and easy to read. Start by opening TradingView and heading to any chart of your choice. You can use the browser or the app. Both work the same for this tool. Pick an instrument and time frame that makes sense for your analysis. Zoom in or out so you have enough room to clearly see the swing highs and lows you want to mark. A clear view will make placing your points much more precise. On the left sidebar, look for the Patterns section. In many layouts, it appears under Patterns or Harmonic Patterns. Click that icon to open the tool list. From there, select XABCD Pattern. This tool lets you map 5 key swing points, which TradingView then connects into the familiar harmonic structure. Now place your points on the chart. Click once to set point X. This is your starting anchor, typically placed at a clear swing high or swing low. Click again to set point A, following the next major pivot in price. Click again to place point B, then again to place point C, and finally click once more to place point D. Keep the natural flow of the market swings in mind. Each click should follow the sequence of highs and lows as price moves. Once all 5 points are placed, the XABCD structure will automatically appear, connecting the points with lines and shading to help you visualize the pattern. If something looks slightly off, that's normal. You can fine-tune it by dragging any point, X, A, B, C, or D, to better align with the exact candle highs or lows you intended. Take your time here. Make small adjustments and watch how the structure updates in real time. If the pattern spans a large part of the chart, zooming can help you place and adjust with accuracy. Good alignment is key for clarity, especially if you're analyzing proportions later. That's all there is to it. Open a chart, choose the XABCD pattern tool, click to set X, A, B, C, and D in order, then refine by dragging any point until it matches the pivots you want to model. With practice, you'll place these patterns quickly and confidently. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.